Are you wondering which university is the best for masters in data science in the US? Which curriculum to choose to? Which university should you go to? Which location should you choose? And all of the best universities for masters of data science in the US. I'll be answering all of these questions in this video. So if you're interested, keep watching. So those who are new to the channel, my name is Rijul and I'm a Masters in Data Science student at UCI this fall, and we are the first batch of Masters in Data Science, and in this video I'll be talking about everything about Masters in Data Science. Whoever wants to do like Masters in Data Science, I'll be talking everything about here, and yeah, let's start. So first of all, let us talk about why Masters in Data Science. Why not MSBA, or like why not MS in CS? So let me answer my question here, because like everybody's answer like differs. And so the first answer is Masters in Data Science is basically a perfect blend of business analytics, computer science, and it is a technical field. For going into MS in BA, which is business analytics, you do not need a lot of technical skills, which is a less technical course, which was the number one reason of me to go to data science. Second of the reason was like, why didn't I choose Masters in CS? Because I didn't want to go to the software development side, and I wanted to be in the data science and machine learning field, because I love to do machine learning. And this is the second number reason I chose Masters in data science here. And now let us talk about the curriculum of MS in Data Science. So the curriculum differs from university to university. I'll talk about UCI here, and the next video coming is for the University of California Irvine Masters in Data Science. I'll be reviewing it because we are the first batch here, and anyone who is like looking to apply for the next year, and that video will be helpful. So our curriculum is basically of statistics, as well as machine learning, as well as like some part of database management. And this is basically so I just finished my first quarter here, and now there's a semester break right now. And in the first quarter I took three courses. One was statistics, and one was database management, and the third one was intro to artificial intelligence. So these three courses were of data science. In the next quarter we'll be taking another two statistics courses, as well as one machine learning and data mining. So when you talk about data science, the curriculum will always be like towards the statistics side, as well as like applying those methods into the data science field, as well as the machine learning field. So machine learning and statistics, these two are the pillars of data science, and these two you will find in every curriculum of Masters in Data Science in the US. And this is how the curriculum revolves. And I also told you about why I didn't go into MS in CS, because I don't like software development. Why I didn't go to MS in BA, because it's a very broad field and it is very like technical, less technical, so I didn't want to go into that. So that is my reason, and I hope this curriculum answer helps you. So now let us talk about what are the best universities for MS in Data Science in the US. So personally, I chose UCI for like couple of reasons. Let me just quickly go through them. The first reason was the location, because it's in California, so it's a very like tech market here in California. It's a tech hub here. Second reason was it's a 15-month program, which I wanted to do. Like I didn't want to go into the 2 years program. That was the number two reason for me choosing UCI. And now let me talk about like what are the other best universities which I researched when I was applying. Again, I am not taking into account, I'll be telling you the 10 best universities which you can get into. Obviously UCI is not in the top 10 here, and like a number of universities are Carnegie Mellon, MS in Data Science, I think MS in Computational Data Science. Second is Stanford. Third is Georgia Institute of Technology. Fourth is NCSU, and fifth is Cornell University, Columbia, NYU. These all like offer top like most MS in Data Science programs in the US. And if I talk about like moderate universities here, they could be they could be RIT, Rochester Institute of Technology, University of Rochester, University of Illinois, Chicago, and you can also apply to UIUC. And UIUC is basically MS in IM. They don't have a MS in Data Science, but MS in IM is like everything about data science, so you can apply to that. I got into that university, so that's why I'm telling you about here. And these are the universities you can apply to for masters in the data science field in the US. And now let me talk about like, should you go for the MS in Data Science, or like, is MS in Data Science really for you? So is MS in Data Science really for you? Let me answer this question by studying masters in data science at UCI this fall. And first you have to think about, like, do you want to go into a technical field? Like, does technical field and like coding excite you, or like do you have like a very good knowledge in that? Do you have passion in that? Personally, in data science you won't be doing a lot of that hardcore coding, but they will be coding. So always be prepared for the technical side that you will be coding. And the number two thing is, do you like statistics, machine learning, data mining, big data, these all stuff? If you have like worked into these stuff, and if you like want to go into further in that, you can pursue masters in data science, and you'll be like very cool with studying all these subjects. So this is number two reason. Number three reason is like, what after MS in data science? Like, what is your career goal? Like, what do you want to do? If you want to be an SD, like you can go to SD after MS in data science, but it will not make worth, because you can go to MS in CS. Then if you want to go to SD, like if you want to apply for data scientist or like business analyst or machine learning engineer, you can do MS in data science here. So think about that, like why are you pursuing MS in data science? Not just like everyone is doing MS in data science. So like think about the actual reasons why you want to go into data science field, instead of like just following the crowd. And yeah, so now let me talk about the fees of MS in data science. So how much is my fees here? So my fees per quarter right now is $11,000, which comes around, it's a 4-quarter program plus a summer semester, which is $55,000 just for studying here. And I'm telling you about this because UCI is not like that expensive university. It is like one of the most affordable universities in the US, and like considering California, it's a very good deal of like getting $55,000 for like 1 year, because like 55k or 60k is for MS in BA in cities which are not that popular. And if you are in California, Irvine specifically, which is the safest city in the US, this is a pretty good deal. And I'm not like sponsoring, but I'm just telling around the fees. The fees around comes like 60 to 70k, like at least 60 to 70k for like 2 years of program. And or like it can go more than that. If you go to like topmost colleges, they go to at least 100k. Like if you go to like I don't know, like NYU, that is like the topmost. So this is about the fees. So like be prepared for the fees part, and if you don't have any issues with that, go ahead to the university and apply. And if you get in, good luck. So now let me talk about the scope of data science. So personally, I have like a very little experience here, because I'm still searching for jobs and all that stuff. So I do not have much experience in this. But data science is a new field. Like many companies do not know what exactly data science is. Like for example, if you go to any other job website and you search data scientist, so each and every company's demands will be different. Some will be asking machine learning engineer in the form of data scientist. Some will be asking business analyst in the terms of data scientist. Some will be asking I don't know, like NLP expert in terms of data scientist. So these all are different data scientists, and you have to choose which data scientist you want to become. And as soon as I get more into the job market, I'll be making a specific video on that, about like what is the actual scope of data science. So this is it about like so this is about the masters in data science, guys. And yeah, I just wanted to make this video for the syllabus, curriculum, fees, universities, about masters in data science, because when I was going to the US, I couldn't find many videos. So this video just to help you out to ease your way into the application process, because I know many of you are applying for the next cycle. And yeah, all the best for that. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll be very happy to help you. You can also connect me on LinkedIn or Instagram, and मैसेज मी देयर, एंड आई विल हेल्प यू आउट. सो या, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.